Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can turn on the blind spot monitor on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So basically guys, in order to be able to do that, you just need to access to your steering wheel screen right here, and then go to your settings. In order to be able to navigate here on the screen, it's pretty easy. Just by this arrow right here, you can go right and left. As you can see guys, I'm gonna give you guys a closer look on the screen. So just go here and search for settings, the settings icon, and then here you're gonna find all of the settings that you can change in your car while driving. As you can see guys, I don't have the option for the blind spot monitor right here, but normally if you have it on your car, it's gonna be the third option. You're gonna find it just here under the PCS. So if you guys want to activate it or deactivate it, it's pretty simple. Just go to the option and then click on the OK button, and then it's gonna be deactivated. And if you want to undo it, just go ahead and give it a click again, and it's going to be activated. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.